Okay, everyone, we are live, and I need to flip my camera. How do I do that? Flip my camera. Oh, there. Okay. Tell me who you are. Tell me where we are.
We are at Lane 1936 in Oceanside.
Okay, and let me see all these new procedures.
Yeah, so we have changed our service style a little bit. What we're doing now is we're doing counter service.
Okay.
So we're asking our customers to place their order here at the door.
Oh.
We do at Chicha and by 11.
Okay.
So we're placing our order here at the door. We're going to order your food, your drinks, and then we'll sign you to your table. And we'll have the bartender bring you your drinks. We'll bring you your food, and you can still order more stuff at the table while you're there. If you need another drink, another glass of wine, a dessert, so we can still do that there. But we're trying to make it as contactless as possible. So do the
Nice. And what's this about?
Same here. We can place your order. So you can place your order here. You can place it over there. We're still doing takeout.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's our protective glass. Exactly.
I love it. And what day did you officially start dining in?
We opened for dine-in this past Friday, so the 22nd.
Okay. And how's it been?
It's been okay. You know, it's a bit of a reality check. A lot of people are still afraid to go out.
I know. This is our
That's
first.
why we're here.
You know that
Ease the fear.
for us, you were the last restaurant we ate at, and you are now our first.
We are honored.
Yes. So I was like, we're going to Blade tonight and give love to our peeps. So Chef Giancarlo, how's Chef Chris doing back there?
Chris is doing good.
How's Fabrizio?
Fabrizio's taking a rest today. It's his
Do
day
I? Am I
off.
taking?
Good for him.
Am
I
I?
didn't think you guys ever took days off.
Sometimes.
So do we? Like.
I'll help you out. So Chris can get I'll take care of my bed.
Okay. Cool. So what's good keto protein?
Keto protein. So we have our ribeye steak.
Ooh.
We have chicken roulade.
Let me tell you, we picked that up a few weeks ago. It was like butter. It was so delicious. I told Philip it was like the best chicken I've ever had. I mean, it was really, really good.
And then, the usual, we make fresh pasta in-house, you know that. We specialize in wood-fired pizza, and we're never going to stop doing that.
And let's look over
It's not
here.
keto, but it's good.
Look at that pizza oven. See, it's what's cooking over here. Well, I think
Did you see our new patio?
on the side, yeah.
We'll take it over.
Okay, cool. Getting a little tour.
As you can see, we have spaced our tables to meet the 6 feet requirement.
Love it.
Yeah. I think you
Okay.
guys exceeded the 6 feet.
Oh yeah.
In some spots, yeah.
Yeah.
And the windows are all open. I saw you post about that. Yep. So the windows are open. Perfect.
Rain, so it keeps out the bugs.
Oh my goodness, look at this. New outdoor
Very
patio.
cool.
We have some outside seating. Watch your step.
Wow,
Okay.
that's a big space.
Look at this
Much
is all
bigger than I
new.
thought.
This is all new.
Oh, I love it, Giancarlo.
Very cool.
This is perfect.
So
And
even out here, we spaced it out to where it's 6 feet or more.
you sure did.
And then once we go back to normal capacity, then we'll have about 30, 40 seats out here. At least.
Nice. Oh, and I love the color of those umbrellas. Yes. Oh, Sandy Sanders is putting the website down for you. Thank you, Sandy.
Thank you, Sandy.
Yeah, super cool.
And we're also working on doing the rooftop. So we had a meeting with the architects. And
I love that
engineers yesterday,
idea.
And we're working on the rooftop.
That will be insane.
That actually almost
Ocean
gets sea
views.
water up there, huh?
Seawater. You
Perfect.
absolutely can, yes.
How
Yeah.
cool will that be?
That's premium seating up
Right?
I want to be.
there. Yeah, I would.
You know, it's interesting because, like to have this discussion. We're outside, everybody. I'm just gonna take this off because I'm far away. But we were talking about it. How many people are afraid? And so talk about when somebody leaves. What's your procedure after a guest leaves?
So after a guest, so we have our servers and our bussers. They're all wearing face masks. They're all wearing gloves. So when we clear a table that people have consumed their food, they're going over and clearing their table with gloves. Those gloves get disposed of as soon as they bring those dirty dishes into the kitchen. So they take them off. We have hand sanitizer dispensers throughout the restaurant for customers and the staff.
Nice.
So there's a lot of hand washing, there's a lot of hand sanitizing. We have sanitizers for the table as well, so when we wipe them down, it's with the sanitizer, so we make sure all the tables and chairs are sanitized. We're not using linen napkins anymore, we're using paper.
Okay.
We've used
there's some kind of incident going on in Oceanside.
So all of our plates and silverware, they all go through our sanitized dishwasher, so everything is sanitized through the dishwasher. So yeah, we're doing everything we need to do according to the guidelines. So.
Nice. Okay. Well, listen, to those of you who are fearful, we knew just coming in that Giancarlo and Fabrizio and Chef would all make sure that we were safe and everything would be up to par, and we just knew it. So we are out here and we're gonna have some delicious Italian food at Blade 1936. Tom Chapman's, invite them over for dinner. Yep. Oh, yes, I should invite them to my house for dinner, huh?
I'm in.
Because tonight, it's what's cooking is here in Oside, right? So, all right, so let's go back on in.
Well,
I think.
You guys want to sit outside or inside?
I think inside. Yeah.
Please.
I think that also encourages people that we think is safe.
Yes. Exactly.
Right. I think that's important.
Wherever you want to be. The dining room is all yours.
You pick, Shine.
How about if we? Do you mind if we take a four top?
Not at all.
Okay, we'll take that back corner.
Whatever you need.
Cool. So.
So we should go up there to.
No, I'll bring you menu. We'll take care of you.
You want to sit in
Oh, I love it. Thank you. Even there's a name on that. Is that for somebody?
That's the name of the table. So instead of giving table numbers,
Oh,
then it seems like we don't want it to seem like a cafeteria. We have table names.
I love it. And who's Beatrice?
With
Just-
an Italian name, Beatrice.
I
noticed
like
out
it.
there the names on the
They're
table,
all
so I thought that was cool.
Oh, that's super
We
cool.
didn't want it to be a cafeteria like with numbers on the table.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys thought about a lot of stuff. I mean, look at this. And then in the back, you've got the back dining room.
We'll have the back dining room that's also spread out at 6 feet.
So what are your tables? How many seats do you
Well,
have?
we went from about 170 to about 80, 90 seats. So we've lost some seats.
Yeah.
But this new system, where you order at the door and then you get your food at the table, it eliminates that 10,
Speeds it up a
15
little.
minutes of let's sit down, let's look at the menu.
Ah.
So by the time you place your order, when you're paying, the kitchen already has your food ticket, the bar already has your drink ticket. By the time you come to the table, your drinks are ready.
Huh.
So that eliminates that 10, 15 minutes of kind of low.
Yeah.
So tables turn a little quicker. We're not trying to
Yeah.
rush people out.
No.
It's just quicker.
Right.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, you only sit so long after dinner typically, so if you're done 15 minutes early,
Exactly.
That's super. You guys have been very organized. Very organized. And you guys had just opened,
Yeah, well, we recently opened. September is when we opened.
Yeah.
officially,
And then to have this whole thing happen,
I like the challenge. So.
Yeah. Well, the other thing too, are we allowed to have these off when we sit? Okay. So, hey, John Pelkey. So at the table, we're allowed to have our mascot. So the other thing that I found, and Philip too, is because I talked to so many chefs and restaurant owners, is how many of you just have the best attitudes.
Yeah.
When you could be just sucking your thumb in the fetal position in a corner.
Well, that doesn't do any good.
No.
The ones that were able to do
you have
solid.
to be proactive and reactive. You can't just sit and hope for something to change.
Right.
I think the people who got geared up and did good curbside and covered themselves are having much better attitude than those
Right.
who just couldn't do anything.
And I've lived my life that way. Like, I love change. Change is always good, whether it's a good change or a bad change. It's always for the good. You adapt and you move on, and something good will come from it.
Right.
You can't, like you said, you can't curl up and your fetal
Right.
Position, yeah.
and hope for the best. What is that going to do?
Right. Exactly.
So we
Exactly.
adapted to the change.
Love
We
it.
adapted to the guidelines, and we make the best of it, and we move on.
It's-
We're here for the long run, so we're not going anywhere.
I love it. I love it. Well, that's good. And thank you for all the things that you did for Gordon when he ran for Man of the Year. That was amazing.
Yep, and we were glad to be a part of that, and we're sorry to hear that exactly a year you said that
From the event that
from
I.
the event, he ended up passing away. So,
Yep.
But we were glad to be a part of that, and it was amazing.
God needed
great person.
God needed a badass angel up there, and
Yep.
they got one with him. That's
Got a
for
good
sure.
one. They got a good one.
Definitely.
So, well, you guys are amazing. We got to see Mario and Francesca a couple weeks ago. We did pick up.
We did
Yep, I
curbside.
saw that.
Yep. So we did that, and next week we hope to go to the Wrench. They remodeled,
yes.
so they'll open, I think, on the 4th.
We're crossing our fingers they
Devin
didn't do
told me
too
they were
much.
doing some remodeling. I spoke to him while we were locked down. We exchanged some messages. He let me know that they were remodeling, so I got to go check it out.
I know. I just hope
just
they
don't
kept a
want
little bit of the funk, you know?
They needed to keep it funky.
We love the funk.
Well, they're funky people, so I'm sure the funk is still there. So.
And then Costera is opening, and Island Prime on Friday the 5th of June. So, you know, more and more. I think it's kind of cool, though, that people are slowly doing things.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of people are still like...
And you know, it's kind of good because we were a little afraid that we would open and then we would get, you know, slammed.
Right?
And it kind of worked out differently. And you know what? I'm okay with that because we get to adapt a little better to our change.
Exactly.
You know, we get to weed out all the little things.
With the team, I'm going to show this. Look at the glove is on.
Yep.
Everything's being, thank you. We appreciate it.
So you see our tables are not set up like before. The only thing we have on tables is upside down water glasses.
That's right,
And
yeah.
then we'll bring you your plates, your napkins, and the silverware one.
Okay.
We set up that way. We keep it covered, we keep it clean, so it's not.
Nice.
There's no cross contamination there. Yep.
Very, very, very thoughtful. And Judy, this is Blade 1936. It's located in Oceanside on Seagaze. And it used to be the home of the Blade Tribune and News. And so it has a lot of history and it has a lot of cool newspaper artifacts on the walls, and it's just a super cool place.
Yep.
So, and that's Giancarlo.
Judy.
So hopefully these guys will come in and check you out.
Thank you.
Yep.
So awesome.
Well, let me bring you a menu so you can sit, and then I'll send Don over to take your order.
All right.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thanks, Giancarlo. Appreciate it.
Thank you. So everyone, this is our first venture on It's What's Cooking. It's not me. It's Chef Chris and Chef Giancarlo at Blade 1936. And I can tell you, just based on the tour that we just took and the procedures and even the glass walls that they've installed, they have this place dialed in. For Philip and I, Philip Fredrickson, come here. It was the first place, or the last place we ate before we got locked down.
It was the day before the lockdown.
It was definitely the day before. And so it's kind of sentimental to make it be the first place that we came, that we, feel comfortable. And I know today I was talking to quite a few people that are not comfortable going out yet. Sandy, you're awesome. 401 Seagaze Drive. I think that you could feel very comfortable and very safe here. And boy,
Most
talk
of these
about.
tables are more like 10 feet apart.
Oh yeah, it's definitely.
A couple
It's
of them are a little
definitely.
bit closer, but most of them are
Yep.
much further.
No bar stools anymore. The bar is completely taken down, and then they built a beautiful, beautiful outdoor patio. So.
And the roof there.
And the roof, yeah. So I'm kind of happy not to cook today, and I'm super thrilled to support our peeps and bring you a little bit of what's going on in San Diego, the know in San Diego, and it's what's cooking. So remember to stay physically distant while staying socially connected. I'll wave to you, Narda, and hello, Michelle. I was just going to sign off. We're up at Blade 1936 in Oceanside and just had a great tour of how they have created an environment that is very safe with delicious homemade Italian food. I think they're pretty pumped up and pretty excited. So anyway, everybody take care. See ya.